Hello, Hassan here. Today I have got some exciting news to share with you, especially if you are using Ripplix website to find UI animations and micro interactions. Cool stuff. So after the launch, we received a tons of feedback and appreciations from our users. I'm really thankful for your support and love. So recently, one of our users reached out to us and told us they love Ripplix, but switching between Ripplix website, Figma, and Slack to actually copy the link from Ripplix website to share with the developer and product manager through Slack communication. The whole process is actually kind of feels more destructive for them. So kind of break the flow. And yeah, then we realize, yeah, that's true. So we should think about to make the whole process more seamless. Then we thought, why don't we bring Ripplix into Figma itself? And yeah, recently after like 2 months of work, we have finally launched Ripplix plugin to Figma. So now Ripplix is available in Figma as a plugin. Let me give you a quick tour. All right, so here is a quick demo about Ripplix plugin. As you know, we already have almost like 500 users who are already using this plugin. To use this plugin, you just have to go to the Figma file and you have to search Ripplix here. And the interface will look something like this. Here we have almost like more than 5,000 videos, and we have categorized them based on the platforms like AR, VR, mobile apps, smartwatches, web apps, and websites. And we have almost like more than 1,000 apps, and like 100 plus elements and almost like 80 plus industries. So for example, if you want to share a button or any kind of UI animation reference with your product manager or with the developer, the old school method is you have to make like prototypes in Figma. But now using Replace, what you can do is you can just like add a reference point for each or a particular section or like element to the developers so that they can just easily like get a reference about what you are actually trying to communicate. So to do this, let's say we want to add a hover animation for this button. To do that, we have to go here to search button hover. As you can see here, you'll see like tons of like button hover animations here. So for example, if you settle with the animation that you think actually works best for you, you can just like click here and just you have to like click on this button like add to Figma. Then you'll get to see like there is a pinpoint appears, something like a Figma comment. So you can just like drag and drop and like place it to the specific point where you want to like share that interaction for. For example, as we are referencing these things for this button, we just have to place this here. And when the developer will came to this Figma file, and when they click on this thing, will redirect them to an actual like the video where they can easily get the reference how the button animation should look like. So the developer can easily see how this thing's actually working on another real website, or not only website, like it could be mobile app, smartwatch, or AR, VR, or any kind of platform what you can imagine. So like this is the thing with like we're getting a lot of requests from our customers. So yeah, just feel free to use it and let us know what you think about it. Thank you very much for watching this.